basement and we're checking in on the seedlings. If I show you backing out, what I've done is I've partitioned part of the basement behind this plastic to control temperature and humidity in a smaller area. The basement's already warmer than the outside because it's inside the house envelope. And then with this second layer of protection, it's really good about not changing temperatures when the temperatures rise and fall outside with extremes. Right now, we've got 3 levels of seedlings going. Right. Get up here on this top shelf. I just noticed something sprouting. That's why we're coming up. Looks like we've got some peas and chamomile. And everything else looks like it's still on hold. Down here is a whole tray of tomatoes. Got 3 varieties in this tray right here. Side. There we go. I'll read the list. We've got sunrise bumblebee, yellow accordion, and cherry chunk tomatoes on this tray. This here is a tray with peppers and tomatillos. And here we've got calendula up close, and farther away we've got some Brussels sprouts. And then down here we got a whole tray of lettuce. And here's a tray of herbs. I just started this last weekend.